Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of generative fill, a powerful feature in Photoshop. So let's get started. The generative fill feature is now available in Photoshop Beta, which you can access through the Creative Cloud app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection because Photoshop will process your prompt through the cloud. Now, we're going to expand this image. Press C for the crop tool and press Alt to expand the image. We want to select the white background so that we can use generative fill to enhance the image. Use the selection tool and flip it. Great. Now click on Generative Fill and watch the magic happen. Just press Generate. The image is being processed, and we now have 3 variations created by the Generative Fill. Take a look. The road has expanded, and more trees have been added on both sides. Personally, I think the third image has the most natural look, so we're going to go with that. In this next image, we want to add a water reflection on the bottom left side. Use the lasso tool to make the selection of the area where you want to add water. Click on Generative Fill, type Water Reflection, and hit Generate. The AI will start processing the image, and we'll get 3 results to choose from. After considering your needs, pick the one that suits you best. In my opinion, the second image has a more natural appearance, so that's the one I'll choose. Now let's add some smoke to the image, as our character is smoking a cigarette. Once again, use the lasso tool to select the area where you want to add the smoke. Type smoke and hit Enter. You'll get different options, and you can choose the one that fits your vision. In my case, the second option is quite dramatic and works well. The first and third options didn't quite meet my expectations. Remember, you can explore as many options as you like. In the third step, we're going to add some objects to the image. Let's see how the AI processes it. Make a selection on the image, and this time, I'm going to add a yellow duck. Watch as the AI works its magic. Voila! The AI has generated a beautiful duck. You can try this feature for different purposes and see what results you get. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed exploring the generative fill feature in Photoshop. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay creative, and see you in the next video.